Hello, today guys my PowerBook G4 is broken. Not so good news. Right, there are a couple of problems with it. Just need to tell you, just in case it is important. I'm not a good computer guy. Let me just hold the camera in the other hand. Just 2 seconds guys. Ugh. Wait. Just open it. Right. As you can see, the screen is broken. One wire is cut off. That's why we have to plug it into this monitor over here. This monitor is plugged into the back, as you can see. So, the monitor is plugged into the computer. The screen's broke, that's why we need the monitor. But here's a problem. The charger is on, as you can see there, and sadly there's no light on the charger, and as you can see, it will not start. There we go, it will not start. The one thing that puzzles me is the monitor is not plugged in. Let me show you, the monitor is not plugged in. Here's a plug for it. Look, the light's not on. But when I plug the monitor in, bing bang, the light never goes amber. And even with the charger in, we can see still not working. No chime, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right, I reset the PMU on it, but nothing really happened. The light just started flashing amber, green. Then when I stopped pressing it, it just went back to green. And after I done that, I pressed the start button and nothing happened. Oh yeah, and one little more thing. This, when I press it, nothing comes on. Right, I guess I have to mention that I haven't used this in a year, and when I was using it, it did work on that monitor. Thank you, and I hope you have the time just to answer us. We really will appreciate it. Thank you.